This is a Permobil F3 Corpus. F stands for front wheel drive, F3 Corpus. This power chair has 17 miles, so it might have been used for 2 weeks, a month, maybe less than that. If they went to Disney World, maybe 3 days. But anyway, 17 miles, as you can see, new condition, has 3 electric functions. Electric tilt, electric recline, electric legs. No seat lift. Tilt, recline, and legs. So all the functions can be worked through the joystick or through the switch box. So I'm going to work through the switch box, it's quicker for me. So if I push the button here, this is the electric tilt, which is the bottom right here going back by itself. That's called electric tilt. So it's very nice when you have an electric tilt if you have that for circulation. While I have it tilted, let me do the legs. Let me put the foot blades out. Let's do the legs so you can see. So if you needed some circulation, you could be in the chair and have your legs way up in the air, which would be extreme circulation. But you don't have to go this far, but I just want to show you what it would look like. Because if you're sitting in a chair, it would not come down like that. Okay? Now if you don't need to be that far tilted, you could be halfway tilted and still have enough circulation. You would still be able to get circulation. Even if you were here, with these all the way out, they're still higher than your body. So it's just I'm just trying to show you what the possibilities are. So I'm going to bring the seat back down to flat, and the next function is the third function. It's called the electric recline. The electric recline is just the back right here. That's called recline. When just the back goes back, that's called electric recline. So if you want to, so this is as far as it'll go. So this is a partial recline. So if you were laying in this chair, trying to take a nap, this is what you're looking at right there. Okay? I'm going to bring the recline back up, and I'm going to bring the legs back down. When you're outside, try to keep your legs out a little bit so you have more clearance under your foot plate. Now these legs are up a little bit for this. Let me rephrase this. This chair was set up for a short person, so most likely if you buy this chair and you're taller than 5'3", we're going to drop these legs down 5 inches for you, these foot plates. So we can adjust them to your height and your weight. So far we've covered the 12-inch seat lift, the electric tilt, and the electric recline. Let's cover the base. We've got here what's called front-wheel drive. These are 14-inch solid wheels. The nice thing about a front-wheel drive power chair is if you're sitting in this chair and you're 200 pounds, the chair weighs 350 pounds, that's 550 pound total weight is being transferred right here at the bottom of your wheel because there's nothing else holding this wheel, so it gives you really good traction. If any of you have been in the snow or in the dirt with a pickup truck, you'll know that the more weight you have on your wheel, the better off. So front-wheel drive is really good for the grass because it'll track better. Plus these are knobby tires, which is very nice. We've got, look at the suspension. You got 2 suspension. One for the rear, one for the front. If I shake the chair, you might be able to see the suspension working. There you go. You got the same 2 suspension on the opposite side. You've got 4 of this suspension. You've got an anchor point back here. You can't see it from back there. And you have another one up front here. So if you need to tie your chair to your van, you've got one here, one here. You've got a total of 4. There's a motor for each wheel. So this wheel has a motor that ends over here. If I wanted to push this chair, it's in gear. I can't push this chair. It weighs 350 pounds, 375 pounds. Turn the power off. This little handle, push it down with one finger, like I did. And now, you're in neutral. Okay? Do both motors. If not, you'll be going in circles. Alright, back in gear. Turn the power back on, and you want the power off when you're going to put it in neutral because you might have some resistance. Even though you're in neutral, these are electric motors, so sometimes you'll get some resistance, so make sure the power is off. Okay? So you've also got what's called a swing-away joystick. It's on the right side, so if you're left-handed, we can switch everything to the left, no problem. These are flip-up arms, so you can slide in from the side if you transfer. These are lateral pads that can be removed, and they'll sit right here on your chair. So you can move them all the way up to to, well, not there, but all the way up to here or all the way back here. And they go in and out also. There's 3 sets of adjustment. There's one here, one here, one here. So you got 3 sets. You can do anything you want with these pads. And you can tighten them up right here so there's no play in them. I'm going to turn the chair around. The seat is 17 by 17, so it's not a big seat. If this is the chair you want, we can adjust these seats to your size. No problem at all. It does come with the owner's manual, some goodies like toolkits. It does have a safety belt right here. And this is a floating cushion. So if you have your own cushion, you just take this cushion off and put your own cushion. Nice contoured back. In the back of the chair, you've got a super large headrest. So this headrest is adjustable. So if you want to make this more contoured or less, you can adjust it. There's adjustments right here. This is an adjustable headrest to keep your head from going from side to side if you have a person who has trouble with their head. You have hooks over here, so if you want to put a backpack, you have 2 hooks, one here, one here. You've got back here your power button. This is where we turn the power on and off at the bottom right here. So you go right in here, you can see it, there's no more power now. Back on, the power's back on. These are reflectors on this chair. These right here are cylinders. You turn them, and you can adjust the tilt of both arms by turning these cylinders. That's how you adjust the arm tilt on that. Now I'm going to turn the power on, because when you turn the power off over here, you have to reset the power up front. This is a front wheel drive, so it takes a little bit bigger turn to turn, but the plus is it's a real good chair for outside. This chair will go 5 miles an hour. That's the top speed on this chair. And this is how it turns. So if you want to see how it turns in the house, this would be your turning radius in the house. These chairs are so quiet, unbelievable. So when you charge this chair, you will take your Permobil charger. If I can find my way here, you'll take your Permobil charger and you'll plug it right below the joystick. And as soon as the light goes to full on your charger, the charger will stop charging automatically. The charger knows when the batteries are full, it'll stop charging automatically. So there's 2 batteries on all power chairs, so there's 2 in this one also. And they'll give you about 13, 14 miles on the battery charge, depending if you're going downhill, uphill, into the grass. The weight of the user, you may get more than 13, 14 miles, you may get less. It depends how you drive the chair, okay? So if you're looking for a power chair, front wheel drive, F3 with 17 miles, practically brand new, electric tilt, electric recline, electric legs, swing away joystick, flip up arms, lateral pad, anchor points, solid tires, custom headrest. This is a gorgeous one. I would definitely look at this one. So this is the F3 power chair with electric tilt, electric recline, electric legs, 17 miles, practically brand new condition. When I went through the grass, it had a fantastic suspension. You can see the suspension at work. Great suspension, 5 miles an hour top speed, practically brand new, ready to go.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marksmobility.com.